what are your concerns? Because तुम्ही consistently उलयत नाही सांगला की you are not against NEP, but you have serious concerns with regards to starting the academic year in April. So if you can quickly and in brief tell us what are your concerns.
So thank you, Pramod, first of all, for inviting us, because this is a very important topic, and it all depends on the life of our children and for their future, especially for our government aided and government children. This is very important. So our main concern right now is, yes, the NEP talks have been going on for some time, but the implementation, how it has happened, has like shocked all of us, not only the parents, not only the teachers, but also the headmasters. Like if you can see, like after the second term started on mid of November 2024, suddenly on 31st January 2025, a circular gets out stating that schools are going to reopen on the 1st of April. To that, when the headmasters got the circulars, everyone started sending in their grievances. And when the grievances were quite in number, then the teachers, then the headmasters, were called for a meeting in February. So from this you can see that the headmasters were not taken into consideration, who are the main stakeholders of this NEP, because anything that the government does has to take in consideration with the headmasters, the teachers, as well as the parent teachers association. And if you can see through this that they were not taken into consideration. On top of that, when they went for their meeting, after meeting a lot of headmasters, I've realized they were not allowed to talk over there and ask questions in front of everyone. If you had a problem, come to my cabin and discuss it. So through that, a lot of headmasters had a lot of grievances, but they were scared to bring it out over there. So it got suppressed at that point of time. So after seeing this, the parents on ground level noticed that the teachers also put in a representation stating the grievances what they will face with hardly any time left, and the exams getting postponed, preponed with the 10 standard shuffle of exams that has happened, chaotic conditions which I can give you in brief pointers in some time, that has happened. Then on ground level, parents started agitating the reason why we were not getting answers from teachers, we were not getting answers from the headmasters, because they were not getting answers from the top heads. So we parents decided to go on ground level and meet up with the director of education first. And then when we met up with him, we realized that there were a lot of other things which he too was not aware, and gave us wrong answers, which got us more afraid to what's happening with the system here with the NEP. So then we went with the director of SCRT. There too we were not happy with the answers. We met the CM at his residence also. Like, thank the CM for giving us the opportunity, but we put our points across that we are not against NEP, but we want this.
You have some genuine concerns that you need answers to.
Definitely, because see, last part, we went to the Secretary of Education also. See, as parents, no, we want education to be upgraded, but there has to be a step-wise process. You can't just say we want to start something when nothing is in place. Whether your infrastructure and head-on. We have a lot of pointers to discuss, but that's a